How to change invoice templates in Xero. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change invoice templates in Xero. Now, how do you change an invoice template? The first thing to do is to log in into your Xero account. Once you're logged in the menu displayed next to dashboard, business and all, you will see your business name. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, select the settings options located under files. Once you selected the settings option, on the settings option, um you see a list of options. Select invoice settings. When you select invoice settings, you'll be brought to the invoice settings page. Now on this page, you see the templates available, right? Yes, so for you to edit it, just move over to options. Options is located by the top right corner of the box, of the invoice box. Select it. Then once select it, a box will be displayed. Go ahead and select edit. So once you click on select edit, you'll be brought to the edit page. So once you're on this page, you can go ahead and make whatever change of your choice. If it's the top margin line you want to edit, the bottom margin line, the font size, whatever, or the font, whichever thing you want to edit, go ahead and edit it. And then once you're done, scroll down and click on saved. Automatically your invoice template would be changed. So this is how you can change an invoice template in Xero. Thanks for watching.